guys, well, welcome back to my channel, TrevDev Adventures. I'm TrevDev, this is Dukkie, and we're giving you the reality of really what it's like to camp all over the United States in a camper van, just like this. This is a 2013 Transit Connect, and we've been traveling for the past 3 years, but started my YouTube channel about a year ago now. And I wanted to show you guys the reality of it, and hopefully you guys will come along and enjoy the videos as we go. So right now we're going to take on to another adventure, and right now we're going to go about hours south down to about Venice area. I think it's called Osprey, to Oscar something State Park for one night to show you what it's like to camp in Florida during the cold. It's supposed to get down to about 46, 47 degrees tonight, and we're going to load up on some wood. We're going to get 3 bundles of wood, and I'm doing a camp cook tonight. And I've done this camp cook meal before, but this is kind of like my comfort food when it's chilly out. Dukkie already got his sweater on, and let's check to see how cold it is right now. 64 degrees, which is actually pretty beautiful. It's definitely got a little chill to it, but meanwhile, it's so nice. So right now we're gonna head down to this place that I took you guys there before. We're gonna get some wings and we're gonna chill. First, we're gonna stop at Publix, or after we're gonna stop at Publix. But meanwhile, I'm sure I can run into a Publix once I get down there, or Walmart, or any kind of grocery store, to get what we need for tonight. So come along, would you? American Freedom Tour 2023. Let's get fired up. Dukkie, you fired up? One night. Let's go. Here. Last time we were here was in April. We're gonna stop here and check it out again. This is Woody's, right on the water. All right, guys. Well, we just stopped at this place, Woody's, here in God, what would you call this? Sun City. Great place to come. It's a good spot to go chill. So right now, guys, we're gonna head to camp. Well, actually, we're gonna stop at the grocery store first, because we're gonna get a bunch of wood. We're gonna get like 3 bundles of wood. My little Dukkie. That's how cold it is in Florida. Anyways, I want to point this out. Look at this look right here. This just happened. A little freaking rock came up from, not this truck, but another vehicle on the other side. Okay. See how big it gets. He's like, why are you taking me out in this cold? We have a perfect home an hour away. And we got to have some fun. And we've never been to this park, and we've never been to this campground. So you ready? Ready to have some fun and go camping? So do you want to go camping? Hello, got a campsite for the night?
You have reservations?
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna have you pull ahead there. You're gonna come inside, bring me your driver's license and license plate number.
All right, thank you. Ooh. Yeah, Leslie Finnan Trail. So, here we go. All right, we gotta go in and say hi. All right, guys. Well, we just registered. Very nice lady, of course. Everybody are when you come camping in parks all over the United States, right, Dukkie? Are you ready to go camping? You want to go camping, Dukkie? You want to go camping? It's like it's chilly, Daddy. Dad, it's chilly and we're only an hour from home. I know there, dude, but you know, the part of being in nature and enjoying being on this world, it's part of it. And you think about it, it's gonna be 40 degrees in Florida. Down here in Venice, Osprey area, just think everything north from here is gonna be colder. So, all right, so second right, number 94. Let's do it. Are you ready, Dukkie? Are you ready to get the party started? Are you ready to make it happen? Do a walk around like we usually do, but meanwhile, the camper vans. See, they got the tent for the thing. Okay, yeah. 94, there we are. Oh, nice. Straight. Alright, here's 94. Nice, we're blocked, but we're fit in here well. So we'll figure that out. That works.